When using Connect Into and Analytical Connections in Revit 2018.2, the connectors on MEP elements now indicate their flow direction, making it easier to identify the desired connection to connect to. When you highlight MEP elements like this chiller and select the Connect Into tool, you can scroll down the list of connectors to see the flow direction for each connector. As well, when you use the Analytical Connections tool, Revit gives you the ability to see the flow of each analytical connection. You can also select and see the flow direction for all the analytical connectors. The new direction arrows for duct and pipe connectors on MEP elements enable you to quickly identify the flow direction for physical and analytical connectors.